Here we have a Daihatsu Hijet Deckvan, what we refer to as the crew cab mini truck. It's a 4-door, upgraded front and rear springs, new 23-inch 8-ply tires and wheels. It's set up with a little truck bed. Tailgate folds down. Gives you a storage area on the outside. Both sides has sliding doors for the second row bench seat. This one's fully loaded. It's got the fog lights in the front. It's a pearl white metallic. Here's the interior. It's got power windows. It's your fog light controller, keyless entry. It says reclining bucket seats. Higher roof for more headroom. Seat fully reclines. This one is the 5-speed manual transmission. There's your 4-wheel drive, heat, air conditioning, defrost. So here's your second row area with a sliding door. So if you don't need the passenger space, the rear bench seat's like a stow and go system. So it folds down completely flat, gives you a real large enclosed storage area. If you need the seating, just very quickly lift that up. Be sure to visit www.usminitrucksales.com to see all of our inventory.